look at the exit tickets. Now these come in PDF format, inside the Google slide, and then also in the Google form. If you want to use the Google form exit ticket instead of the one inside the Google slide, and you have Google Classroom, then what I would suggest is to delete this and write something like, go to Google Classroom and complete exit 1. So if you do have access to Google Classroom, it would be best to create the assignment inside your Google Classroom account. However, if you are using the PowerPoint version, then I would recommend linking the Google form with the text. But first, make sure you've already downloaded the Practice Pages PowerPoint version and it is already in your Microsoft Teams account. And then also make sure that you have the Google Forms inside your Google Drive account. And the digital links are all found in this PDF. So that's what you should have open. The PowerPoint, not assigned yet, and then the exit ticket that you want to link. So let's say you want to link exit ticket 1. What you're going to do is go to settings and make sure this is unchecked. So this is how they come by default. All you have to do is click uncheck because your students don't have access to Google Drive. Then click send, copy the link, and add that link to the practice pages. You can either hyperlink the text or add the actual link in that box. Whatever works best for you. Okay, so now when your students open up their PowerPoint assignment and they complete lesson 1, at the end of lesson 1, it'll take them to the Google form. Again, this is if you don't have Google Classroom. Students don't have to log in because you've edited the settings. And once they complete this exit ticket, then you will have to go back to your Google Drive account, open up that Google form, and click on responses to view all of the scores. Now you want to do all of this before you assign the PowerPoint. Before you click on create a copy for each student, you want to go into the original Practice Pages PowerPoint and link all of the exit tickets. So you'll want to go through here, delete this, grab a link to lesson 2, same for lesson 3 and lesson 4, to also for the quick check. You'll want to edit the settings again, so login isn't required, and then you can directly link this. If you have Google Classroom, it would just make sense to create the actual assignment by itself. Now, if you have any questions, let me know. I hope that was helpful, and less assignments to create if you are using Microsoft Teams, since you can hyperlink everything in the original PowerPoint. Thank you.